Grateful and humbled, Yendi Phillipps get baptized.
Buried with Christ in his death.
Praise to walk in a new
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Count beauty queen Yendi Phillipps among the local celebrities to have given their lives to the Lord. A video of Phillipps being baptized emerged on Sunday, July 29 and have been making the rounds on social media. The video, shot in Jamaica, shows the former Miss Jamaica World and Miss Jamaica Universe being baptized by Church by the Glades pastor Corey Castle. Businessman Omar Azan also shared in the occasion. An emotional Phillipps stated before the baptism that God has been great to her and that she was grateful and humbled by his goodness.
I'm just so grateful. I still, up to this morning, I was on my knees and I just questioned. I don't even understand what I did to deserve God to be so good to me. And I'm just so grateful and I'm just humbled by his goodness.
Phillipps is now the latest popular personality in recent times to have embarked on a more spiritual path. Entertainers Alain and Wayne Marshall recently made the transition.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up, glory to thee, oh God.
2 years ago, former queen of the dancer, Lady Saw, also made a leap of faith into Christianity.
Thank you in the name of Jesus Christ for the remission of your sins. In Jesus' name.
Popular comedian It Ellis also gave his life to the Lord in January of 2016. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.